Hi, I'm Cheryl Rowling, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Ontario, Canada. Thank you for joining me today. Don't worry about sizes or supplies for this card as they are attached to this video. If you enjoy watching this video, could you please like and share as this helps me grow my channel? And if you could leave a comment, that would be wonderful, as I love to see where you're watching from or what you think of the card. If you aren't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and hit notifications so you will know when I post a new video. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to help you out. My contact information is attached. This is the card we're going to be doing today. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness, the little robots are just adorable. This is for my grandchildren. My two grandsons are going to absolutely love it. The one grandson is too small, and the granddaughter, well, she will love this too. I know that. So I have got black, and then I took real red and I used the embossing folder Painted Texture 3D. Now, you don't have to do this because you don't see much of it, but I just like that little bit of added dimension that this gives. And this is my DSP, and the last little bit I've just been using this DSP like crazy, and I use the layering circle dies. I use the biggest one, the second biggest one, and in both, and I did the same with the scalloped. I thought it looked like a cog in a wheel, like the scalloped. It looks like a cog, so I thought, well, that's perfect. It doesn't look fancy, like it wouldn't work for my grandsons. So we will get started and just glue a few things down. So how's everybody doing today? The sun is shining here. So nice. I was told we were supposed to have a storm today, but thank goodness we didn't. I appreciate the warm sun. I love this DSP. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It has candies all over it and hearts. It's perfect for anybody for Valentine's Day, but I think my grandkids are just going to absolutely love it. The oldest one is 7, and he loves dinosaurs and different things. He's the typical boy, and this is just going to be down his alley. Now this is the black gingham ribbon. It's perfect for this. It just sets it off a little bit, and I just love it. It's a beautiful ribbon, and it's perfect for the grandkids. There we go. And then I'm taking this, and I'm going to, since I have a little bit of glue on the back, just put that like that. And then take this and tie it on here. And take my ribbon scissors. And cut them even, which I did not do. Maybe if I do it the proper way, it would make a better job of it. Oh. There we go. Now I colored these in with the blends, and I will show you how I did it on the inside. I just didn't want to take all the time and do it here. These I put down. I just glued them down straight to the card. And I put them a little cattywampus so they're not straight up and down. I keep getting the same glue that's almost out. I think I maybe need to open up a new one. Oh, lovely. I've got 3 of them on the go. It appears. There we go. This is the one I want. Oh. There we go. Sorry about that. There we are. I'm like, where in the world did I put that? I just had it. And now I put this on here. This is a fairly quick and easy card. It just, what takes the time is the coloring. I made these look like a little bit rusty. I just thought it was kind of cute the way they are. Now there it is. Now I want him not to be floating. So I'm putting him a little bit below so that he's on the ground. And then I just, let me see, get this. Oops, that's the right one. I used dark real red for the heart and flower, and then I use the dark Daffodil Delight for the center of the flower, and I used light cinnamon cider for the rust, and I used the light Smoky Slate for the whole robot. Now for this one, I won't be doing the red and the yellow because I'm just doing the rust. And I kind of dotted it so that it wasn't solid because rust is in small little places and it doesn't have to be solid. And in some places I did it solid, and in other places it's partial. I hope it looks like rust to you. Because I think the grandkids will love this regardless. I just hope it looks like I intended it to look like. Oops, wrong end. I don't want to use the brush end. I want to use the bullet end. I have more control going around the rust. So what do you think? This is such a cute set. Oh my goodness. You could do this for a man too. They like robots. Sorry this is taking so long, but I wanted to show you how I did it. almost done. There I go. Now, what I did was I took You Make My Heart Go Beep, and I put that inside here, and hopefully this is straight. Not bad. And this goes in here. There. What do you think? Okay, so now I stamped I'm Nuts and Bolts About You, and then I cut it out, but I didn't want to cut it out twice while you're watching. I just wanted to, I cut the first one so that it would go faster and you wouldn't see me, it's like waiting for glue to dry. It's not great. It's not fun for you to have to watch me color everything. It just takes so much time. So I like to do things ahead of time so I'm not wasting your time on here. And I wanted black behind this just to pop it. I honestly don't mind fussy cutting. What about you? Do you like fussy cutting? Or is it something that you're not too fond of? I have a friend that is not fond of fussy cutting at all. And every time she did butterflies or something like that, she got me to cut around the antennas because she always managed to cut them off. Oh, the poor thing. It was not fun at all for her. But we worked around it, and she got her butterflies with antennas. I still haven't found my take your pick tool. So I have to do this with my fingers, and I'm not happy about it. But oh well, what can I do? Now I am putting this so that those dimensionals go on the card and the glue goes on this part of the card. Isn't that cute? There. Now, the envelope, what I did was I took my heart robot, and because I did not want to spend a lot of time on this for you, I'm putting him at the bottom edge too. Oh, he's floating. So what I will do is I will just take this and ground him. Just like that. Not hard, but it is an extra thing that makes it just look so much nicer. Now, I put a piece of cardstock behind there, and I'm coloring this heart in because it bleeds through, and I did not want it to bleed through on the back of the envelope, so I just put the cardstock in there to stop it. Sometimes it bleeds through, sometimes it doesn't. See? Bled through. Don't want that. So, what do you think? Isn't he cute? Now I have my grandkids' card done. They will love this. Can you give me a like, a share, comment? Let me know what you think of this. It helps me grow my channel if you can do something like that. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend with me. I do appreciate that. And you have a wonderful day. Bye now.